drilling a hole for the fence, for the pole, using this Home Depot rental tool, the Hilti. Okay, so we're not finished as yet. We just drill the holes, and I'm gonna mock it up, and then use some adjusters like these. This can be adjusted to know how much you need to put it together. And we're gonna use some straps on the old gate to level them, and it needs to go down a little more, so we're gonna cut the pipes to drop it down a little more. That's the old gate. So it needs to be adjusted so this is gonna close together and be level, and it won't be high and low.